Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. Well, it's the afternoon, actually. I've just finished clinic, but got to stick with a catchphrase. What are we going to talk about today? Well, we're going to talk about the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. Now, this might seem like we're going over old ground, but I promise you we're not. Now, as I've said before, we're physical beings in a world full of psychological stress, and we need to be physical. We need to understand that we are our hormones. There's a chronicity to hormones that allows our reactive brains to work effectively and our acute nervous system to fire appropriately. So again, normalizing testosterone levels is going to allow you to hopefully feel a semblance of normality to do what? To earn your reward. But it is only a small part of the puzzle. But it's a necessary part of the puzzle. As I said before, it's the foundation, and testosterone replacement therapy is the catalyst. Today's clinic has been great. Hopefully, I've positively impacted my patients' health by giving them tools and the necessary information to continue on this journey. One of the guys today was incredibly proud to announce that he's expecting twins. Thanked me. I told him, you've done the hard work. But these guys are so grateful because obviously they've normally approached the GP and they've hit a brick wall. So it's nice for them to find somebody that will actually listen to them and act in their best interests and provide them with a good TRT protocol. Microdosing, testosterone replacement therapy, test CYP and HCG to optimize, normalize physiology for you to put the work in to earn your reward. Another guy today said he's having a hell of a year. His dad's been diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. He's obviously in charge of the family. And how is testosterone impacting this? He said, I am coping, and I would not have coped before TRT. So he's very thankful that he now has the base, as we said before, to allow him to cope. Incredible. So what we did was we put this question to the group. We have the Men's Health Clinic patients only Facebook group. It's only got a small amount of our patients, 650 or so, and we've got 3,500 patients. So what are the rest of the guys doing? Well, they're getting on with life. I don't actually really want you to be on the internet searching for more answers. I want you to get the necessary information from a trusted source, then look within to see what you can do to positively impact your health. Concentrate on the fundamentals, stress reduction, sleep hygiene, nutrition and exercise, and go forth. Not look for a quick fix, because there are no quick fixes. Biohacking bullshit. I don't like it, because 99.9% of the people looking to biohack are not looking at the fundamentals, addressing them before biohacking. Get out. Nonsense. So concentrate on the fundamentals. So as I've said before, we're physical beings in a world of psychological stress. So the benefits of TRT, what are they going to be predominantly? Are they going to be physical or are they going to be psychological? Now, can you separate physiology and psychology? No, you can't. But let's get into it. 15% said an improvement in strength and endurance. Now, we're not talking gym muscles. We're talking about coming from a place of fatigue and low energy and not being able to do the things you want to do, to now being able to do the things that you want to do and enjoying them. Isn't that wonderful? Again, physical beings. 14% said feel as if life is worth living. So that obviously means before TRT, life wasn't worth living. How depressing is that? So we need purpose, we need meaning. And testosterone means that we're dopamine driven, which means we're reward driven. And if you've got low testosterone, you don't have the ability to seek the reward and appreciate the reward with dopamine. So wow, Yeah, feel as if life is worth living. As I said before in a previous video, one of the guys who I was trying to motivate, I was failing miserably and saying, does testosterone actually even work for you? And he said, I no longer want to kill myself. Well, that's a win as far as I'm concerned. So what else? 13% said cope with all that life throws at you. And life isn't always sunshine, roses and whatever. Yeah, life can be tough. Life is supposed to be tough. You're supposed to be resilient and move forwards, because through adversity comes greatness. Hard times create great men. Good times create soft men. Adversity reward. 12% said better mental health, obviously. The presenting symptoms of low testosterone, low mood, anxiety, depersonalization. We don't want to feel like that. But without the ability to feel better with healthy hormone levels, you're going to feel rubbish. Again, testosterone, dopamine, estradiol, serotonin, DHT has a positive impact in the brain. So we need healthy hormone levels for brain function and mood. 9% gained confidence. Yes, we need to be confident in moving forwards through the door, not sat there in purgatory. What else? Feel like my old self again, 6%. Brilliant. Now, you can't go back to Randy Goatboy when you were 16, because life has had an effect. Experiences have had an effect. You are now wiser. It's much like when Vitor Belfort went on testosterone replacement therapy. He was beating everybody up. He had the experience and now the physical capacity to do it. So you are on a winner. With testosterone replacement therapy, we should perhaps consider it as a buffer to allow you to cope and allow you to build upon your previous experiences to be a better version of yourself. Try not to engage in those negative things that have caused harm. Always trying to be a better version of yourself. So yeah, we're down to the 5%. New job. Great. Awesome. Had the confidence to go for something that's better for you in the long run. Sex. 5%. Only 5% sex. Weight loss. Again, a physicality thing. You gain weight with low testosterone. You lose lean muscle mass. So good. 4% said stop antidepressants. Isn't that wonderful? You go to the GP with symptoms of low testosterone. You will be offered antidepressants. And lots of guys do take them because, you know, we've had that paternalistic relationship with the doctor. The doctor says, I need antidepressants. Do I? Well, I better trust the doctor. He knows what he's talking about. Does he? No. So again, look into prevention versus cure. So that's wonderful. 2%, start a new business. End a toxic relationship. Enjoy listening to music again. Music is the food of life. Was it Plato that said that? So yeah, I think it's about appreciating the little things. So you'll go on the internet, you'll be told, muscles, sex, mood, all these things are important, but there's a subtlety to this. And as I said in a previous video, a patient the other day said, TRT just gets better and better. It's not that the TRT gets better and better. It's just giving you that buffer, giving you that platform to take that next step. As I said before, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. The destination is utterly irrelevant. What matters is right now. The decisions that you make right now are important now and for the future. What's happened in the past is the past. Learn from the past, adapt to be the best version of yourself, to be the best version of your future self. And as has been told before, the definition of hell is meeting the person that you could have been. So be the person you can be right now. Positively impact your health by making the right choices and go earn your reward. Perhaps I shouldn't have said it like that. Anyway, have a good day.